Sila maganda, grabe mo eh. Kasi kami nakangingi.
Yeah, I don't know, you know, I have nothing to do with that end of it anymore.
Masarap na ito.
Did you tell him that?
Sarap.
No, I'm glad you said that. That's perfect. Perfect. Right. No, I appreciate you saying that because I can't say that. You know, him and I don't want to say he's not had it, but well, he hasn't really accepted me yet.
I'm sorry.
No, we haven't got nothing bad has happened.
Selfie. Ay.
Yeah, right, exactly. You know what I'm saying, yep.
Oh wow, yummy.
Well, I know.
Kuya, anong flavor sa... Ano to, kuya, sa akin?
Maraming ingredients.
Ano, kuya? Anong ingredients? Bayabas. Pomelo. Suha. Uy, may passion fruit. Okay. Kuya, anong pangalan ng barko mo, kuya?
Well, it's funny because I told Greg today, because I hired Steve.
I did this kind of glass.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
I said, after I said, Tommy's going to
Wait, ito na, bigay na.
rather try whale watching.
Ha? Okay, okay.
Yes, sir, Brian.
We have a double of that
I
jack
know,
on the box.
But no, those quote-unquote are like every day.
The single bar.
Yes,
Right.
and then I need an Alaskan amber.
Alaskan amber?
Air.
And, you know, every recommendation
no.
they had their guard up, they end up going Eddie,
Oh, yum.
you know, because I break Eddie up and you up and Tracy up. And they
Sige na, kuya. Parang awa mo na. Kasi isa pa.
What is the difference?
This one goes to 19, so you need to pay $4.
Yeah, so next time you say,
Is the Woodford the same?
inject something.
One for the regular, we do that. It's part of your package, but this one's right.
I don't
Work
want
one, this one part of the package.
Yeah. Is that in my package? There you go.
So would you like it with ice or just eat?
Ice. A double?
Double, I appreciate
Oh,
that.
wow, yum.
We had a rough start. Let's keep that.
Wow. Amazing.
What?
That one.
That was good.
That was good.
That single barrel jack's even better out there.
Is it strong or what?
Oh no, it's very sweet.
Oh, yeah. And then you mix them?
No, I'm just gonna drink this on the rocks.
Okay. Kuya, ako na lang, di ba ako kapitbahay? Kuya naman, parang...
I-share ko na lang sa kanila.
Sige, gawa mo ulit ako isa. Kaya po na maiiyak ako, sarap na ito eh. Tikman mo.
Bayabas na.
Bayabas nga.
Lumboy.
Oh, tamo. Ang tamis, di ba? Bayabas nga. Kuya, bayabas. Lumboy. Pwede rin.
I was going to call them, you know, a couple of the vendors on the other pending. I kind of want,
Dito talaga tayo tumambay.
but I don't know if that's nice.
Willie Tongkol, all mine done.
Kuya, saan ka sa atin, kuya?
They were fishing.
Ay, San Antipolo?
Mismo.
Palmer, sa may church?
Medyo malapit.
Sa-
Sa balik na. Extension.
Sa Palmera 4 ako.
Hindi ko pa kabisado.
Yung papunta sa Harris Memorial College. Sa kabila ako eh. Oo, papuntang